Eastern Standard Time Monday. With no expected total snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. The areas affected include inland Worcester County. The hazardous winter weather conditions are expected from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impact. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Slow down and use caution while traveling. For the latest road conditions in Virginia or Maryland, please call 511. For the latest road information in North Carolina, go to http://travonte.gov. Repeating, a winter weather advisory has been issued from 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday for the following counties: inland Worcester, Maryland. Issued at 2:50 p.m. Eastern.